9, start with and chain. Now 1, 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This one, now round 2, 2 single crochet in each stitch, means increase in every chain. 1, and 2. Again, next one is 1 and 2. Increase in every chain. The end of round 2, I have 12 single crochet. Now round 3, 1 single crochet and then increase. 1 single crochet in the one chain, then 2 single crochet in the next chain, in the same chain. 1 and 2. Again, 1 single crochet in one chain and 2 single crochet in the next chain, in the same chain. 1 and 2. Repeat this one. The end of round 3, I have 18 stitches, 18 single crochet. Now round 4. In round 4, 2 single crochet in a different chain. 1 single crochet and then 2 single crochet. Now in the third chain, 2 single crochet in the same chain. 1 and 2. Now repeat this one. 2 single crochet, 1, 2 single crochet in a different chain. 1 and 2. Then increase. 2 single crochet in the same chain. 1 and 2. Now again repeat this one. 1 single crochet in a different chain and second single crochet in a different chain. 2 single crochet in a different chain and then 2 single crochet in the same chain. 1 and 2. In the end of round 4, I have 24 single crochet. Now round 5. Starting round 5, 3 single crochet in a different chain. 1, 2 and 3. 3 single crochet in a different chain and then increase, means 2 single crochet in the same chain, same stitch. 1 and 2. Now again repeat this one. 3 single crochet in a different chain. 1, 2 and 3. Then 2 single crochet in the same chain. 1 and 2. Okay. Now at the end of this round, I have 30 single crochet. Round 5. The end of round 5, I have 30 single crochet. Now start round 6. Round 6. In round 6, I have 4 single crochet in a different chain. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 single crochet in a different chain and 2 single crochet in the same chain. 1 and 2 in the same chain. 4 single crochet in a different chain and then increase. 2 single crochet in the same chain. Repeat this one. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 single crochet in a different chain and 2 single crochet in the same chain. 1 and 2. In round 6, I have 36 stitches. In the last of round 6, I have 36 single crochet. Now start with round 7. Round 7. In round 7, I have 5 single crochet in a different chain. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 single crochet and then increase. 2 single crochet in the same chain. 1 and 2. Now repeat this one. 5 single crochet in a different chain and 2 single crochet in the same chain. The end of round 7, I have 42 single crochet. Now round 8, 9 and 10. These 3 rounds repeat 42 single crochet. Not increase and not decrease. Now number 8, 9 and 10. 3 rows, 42 single crochet. Now completing 42 single crochet in 3 rounds. Round number 8, 9 and 10. In 3 rounds, 42 single crochet in each chain. Now 1 chain and turn your work. In round 11, this is my round 11. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, and the last one is 38. Left these stitches. I have 38 single crochet. Now one chain and turn your work. One chain and turn your work. Now in round 12. Round 12. First of all, decrease करेंगे 1 and 2. In round 12, 1 decrease and 34 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 32, 33, and 34. 34 single crochet and then decrease. In round 12, 1 decrease, then 34 single crochet and then decrease. Now I have 36 single crochet in round 12. Now starting round 13, 1 chain and turn your work. First of all, I have decrease 1 and 2. Then this one. In round 13, 1 chain and turn your work. Now 36 single crochet, 1 single crochet in every chain, not decrease. 1 single crochet in every chain. 36 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Starting round number 14, 1 chain and turn your work. Now decrease. 1 decrease. Then 2 single crochet. 1 and 2. Now make chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 3 single crochet. Skip 1 chain. Look at this. Skip 1 chain. Here 1 single crochet. 2 and 3. Now 8 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 single crochet. Again chain. 4 chain. 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the second one, I have 1 single crochet, 2 and 3. 3 single crochet. Then again 1 single crochet. Pick out these 2 loops and 4 single crochet. Now 12 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. 12 single crochet. Now again chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chain in the next chain. 1 single crochet, 2 and 3. 3 single crochet. Now pick out these 2 loops. 1 single crochet. Now again 8 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 single crochet. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chain. 1, 2 and 3 single crochet. Pick out these 2 loops. 1 single crochet. And now 2 single crochet. 1 and 2 single crochet. Then decrease. 1 and 2. Now starting round number 15, 1 chain and turn your work. Now 2 single crochet. First of all, 1 and 2. 2 single crochet. Then 1 slip stitch. 1 sub stitch. 1 sub stitch. Now 3 single crochet in a different chain. 1, 2 and 3. Now 3 single crochet in the same chain. 1, 2 and 3. Again 3 single crochet in a different chain. 1, 2 and 3. Now again 1 sub stitch. Then 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 single crochet. And again 1 sub stitch. 3 single crochet. 1, 3 single crochet in a different chain. 2 and 3. Now 3 single crochet in the same chain. 1, 2 and 3. Now again 3 single crochet in a different chain. 1, 2 and 3. Now 1 substitch and then 10 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 single crochet. Again 1 substitch, 3 single crochet in a different chain. 1, 2 and 3. 3 single crochet in the same chain. 1, 2 and 3. Now again 3 single crochet in a different chain. 1, 2 and 3. Third single crochet. Now 1 substitch. Again 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now again 1 substitch, 3 single crochet in a different chain. 1, 2 and 3. 3 single crochet in the same chain. 1, 2 and 3. Now again 3 single crochet in a different chain. 1, 2 and 3. Now 1 substitch and the last one is 2 single crochet. 1 and 2. This is my end of round 15. Now 1 chain and cut the yarn. This one and this one. Now I make this tail. First of all, make magic ring. Chain and 9 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 single crochet. Now round number 2, 3 and 4. 1 single crochet in each stitch means 9 single crochet. Round number 2, 1 single crochet in each chain, 9 single crochet. This is my 2 single crochet. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now again 1 single crochet in each stitch. Round number 3 and 4. 9 single crochet. Now completing my 4 rounds, 1 substitch, chain and cut the yarn. अब देखिए हमने टेल कितने लगानी है. यहाँ पे 10 सिंगल क्रोशे थे. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 and 2. थर्ड वन यहाँ पे हमने टेल लगाएंगे. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, make a magic ring. Chain 1. Now 6 single crochet in this magic ring. 1, 6 single crochet in the magic ring. Now round 2. Increase in every stitch. 2 single crochet in each chain. 1 and 2. 1 single crochet and second single crochet in the same chain. Now again 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet. In the end of round 2, I have 12 single crochet. Starting from round 3. In round 3, I have 1 single crochet in the one stitch and 2 single crochet in the same chain. One single crochet and 2 single crochet in the same chain. In total, I have 18 stitches. In the end of round 4, I have 24 single crochet. Now round 5, 6 and 7, repeat 24 single crochet. Now completing round number 5, 6 and 7 with 1 single crochet in each chain, I have 24 single crochet. Starting from round number 8. In round number 8, 8 single crochet. First of all, 1. Look at very carefully because this is the turning point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 single crochet, then increase. 2 single crochet in the same chain. 1 and 2. Now 1 single crochet in one chain, 1 single crochet in one chain, and then increase means 2 single crochet in the same chain. 1 and 2. Now 2 single crochet in different chain. 1 and 2. 2 single crochet in different chain. Now then increase. 2 single crochet in the same chain. 1 and 2. Again 1 single crochet in one chain and 2 single crochet in one chain. 1 single crochet in one chain, then increase, then means 2 single crochet in one chain. 1 and 2. Now in last one, 8 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. First of all, I have 8 single crochet, then increase, then 1 single crochet increase, 2 single crochet increase, then 1 single crochet increase, and last one is to 8 single crochet. In the end of this round, round number 8, I have 28 single crochet. Now starting round number 9. In round number 9, I have 9 single crochet. First of all, make 9 single crochet. 1, with the stitch marker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 single crochet, then increase means 2 single crochet same chain. 1 and 2. Now 2 single crochet and then increase, 2 single crochet different chain. 1 and 2 single crochet, then increase means 2 single crochet same chain. 1 and 2. Now again 2 single crochet in different chain, then increase. Again 2 single crochet in different chain. 1 and 2, then increase. Repeat this for 3 times. Means 2 single crochet and then increase. I have repeat this 3 times. Now last I have 9 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 single crochet. Now the end of this round I have 32 single crochet. Starting round number 10. In round number 10, first of all, make 10 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 single crochet, then increase. 2 single crochet in the same chain. 1 and 2. Then 3 single crochet in different chain. 1, 2 and 3. 3 single crochet in different chain. Now increase. 1 and 2. Now again 2 single crochet in different chain. 1 and 2. Then increase. 2 single crochet in the same chain. Now 3 single crochet in different chain. 1, 2 and 3. Then increase. 1 and 2. Again last 10 stitches. Last one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. The last one is 10 single crochet. The end of round number 10, I have 36 single crochet. 36 single crochet. Now round number 11 to round number 14, repeat these 36 single crochet, 1 single crochet in each chain. ठीक है? Round number 11 to round number 14, repeat 36 single crochet, 1 single crochet in each chain. Insert eyes between round number 8 to 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 in 8 and round के बीच में, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 1. Now round number 15, the decreasing round. First of all, make 4 single crochet. 1 2 3 and 4. 4 single crochet, then decrease. 1 and 2, decrease. Again 4 single crochet and decrease. 1 2 3 and 4. 4 single crochet, then decrease. Repeat this one. In the end of round 15, I have 30 single crochet. Now starting round number 16. In round number 16, 3 single crochet. 1 2 and 3. 3 single crochet and decrease. 1 In the end of round number 16, I have 24 single crochet. Now starting round number 17. Round number 17, 2 single crochet and then decrease. 1 2 single crochet, then decrease. Again 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet, then decrease. In the end of round number 17, I have 18 stitches, 18 single crochet. Okay, now starting round number 18. Round number 17, 18 single crochet. Now starting round number 18, 1 single crochet and then decrease. In round number 18, 1 single crochet, then decrease. Again 1 single crochet and then decrease. One single crochet and then decrease. In the end of round number 18, I have 12 stitches. First of all, make a magic ring. Chain and 6 single crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6.